What's the craziest thing you've ever put up on social media?
Ay, marami!
Okay, hello mga ka-Jumbo. Oh, di ba? Kasi we are the Jumbo Squad. I have here, right or left ka?
Beside me, Adi.
Beside me is Miss Bingbing.
Igorot filmmakers, Adi.
Igorot, the Igorot filmmakers, and here is Tarogo in Hong Kong.
Or Risky Runner.
Please follow them on YouTube and on Facebook. It's a random question. Random question lang sa kanila ang tatanungin ko. And they will gonna answer it. Okay. Miss Igorot filmmakers.
Oh, yes.
What's the weirdest thing you've done in public?
1,
2, 3, 4.
5. Wala akong, as of now, wala akong maisip. Uy,
Oh, for real? Wala ka bang like yung nalasing ka? Or
hindi naman siguro in public yun. Maybe the worst things that I made in my life, yung mga ganon, pwede siguro, but in public, I will not going to say
oh, you cannot say it's
Kasi
the
hindi.
weirdest thing in public.
that. Yeah.
Okay.
Public yun, pero walang tumingin, no?
Tago-tago! Okay. And here's another question. What's an embarrassing thing you've done and never told anyone about?
What? Ayan, kaya man nga, agpaiso. I made a lot. But the problem is that I can't hindi.
Kaya nga hindi mo masabi, di ba?
Hindi, ang dami pero yung bang parang biglang wala sa isip ko. Ano bang mga nagawa ko mga nakaka-embarrassing? Marami so far naman sa pagkakalam ko. Like yung
naman yung ginagawa mo, embarrassing sa kanila.
yun lang. Yun lang? Oo na lang, lahat na lang ng ginagawa ko embarrassing sa mga taong
Galit
taong
sa'yo.
galit sa
And how about you, Miss Tarogi in Hong Kong?
Yes.
What's the most bizarre text you've ever received?
Ha? Mga nakakagulat. Ha? Mga nakakagulat. Nakakabulabog.
Nare-receive mo sila?
Nakaka-weird or
Oo.
Wala naman.
Ay, wala bang nagsabi sa'yo bigla-bigla ng I love you, Gretchen?
Wala mga ganun.
Yung mga ganun? I miss you, Gretchen?
Wala naman.
Wow! Wala? Okay, here's another question. What's the craziest thing you've ever put up on social media?
Ay, marami! Posting kalukuhan, posting people.
Agad-agad yung sagot. Agad-agad yung sagot eh, guys.
Oh, di ba?
Social media influencer kasi siya.
Influencer.
Okay. Another question for Miss Igorot filmmakers. What's the nicest thing someone has done for you?
Nicest thing?
Yeah, nicest thing someone has done for you.
Someone? A lot, like, be specific, sino matakay mo? Bakit mo lang mag-pop up sa isip ko na?
Alam nyo kasi si Miss Igorot filmmakers, lahat na lang sa kanya maganda lahat.
Oo.
Sa kanya
Kahit
lahat
yung mukha mo. Mukha mong nakakaasa. Maganda sa paningin ko.
Itong masasagot niya talaga to ng tama. How much does your personality change when you're around different people?
It's based on the person. Ano yon? Depende lang yan. Nakikisabay yan sa mga kausap mo. Like, you get all the personalities, but it will come out. Depends on the person you're talking to, dealing with.
Okay.
So,
like,
kung makulit ka, siyempre, yung part of me na, or yung ano ko na makulit, lalabas din. Kung talkative ka din, talkative din ako. So, it's based.
Oh.
Lahat ng personality, maybe, we're not going to say lahat, but mostly, personality ng isang tao, lalabas yun. Depende sa
sa kausap mo.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Kaya sa akin yun but it's not for everybody's,
Here's another question. If someone wrote a book about you, what would it be called?
Sino nga takay man title di biyag ko? No, I would say that it's all about being. Yeah.
Being.
Yeah.
Who is being?
Yeah, I like that. Who is being? Kaya pag may magsulat lika ka.
Baka naman, we are promoting ourselves.
Iba na yan.
We're promoting ourselves. Kay Miss Igor in Hong Kong, do you believe in having one best friend?
Yeah, yes, before, but now, no.
Why?
Secret, baka mabuking.
Ano
Sa
ba
akin lang
yan?
yun.
How about you, Miss Igor Filmmakers?
Oh,
Do you believe in having one best friend?
I do.
Why?
Depends.
Ang hirap sagutin
if you're,
yan.
for me, if you're maybe best friend in different ways and different kasi may best friend ka na may best friend ka yung best friend mo na babae, you can call kasi friends, there are lots of friends and they're more better than friends, so you're going to call them a best friends.
Best friends.
Pero pag married ka, saan mo dapat ang best friend mo? Wala nang iba.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, another question. What do you think is the most annoying quality a person can have?
User. Ayaw ko ng tawag user, di ba? Maybe I'm a user too, but not in the extent na
Maging user ka talaga.
yeah, kasi lahat
Ano
naman
yan,
tayo
ano yan, ano
user.
yan?
Okay na. Yes.
Okay, so ba? Okay, what do you think is the most annoying quality a person can have?
Can have?
Yeah.
Ayaw ko ng taong OA.
How about you, Mas Sigurd, in Hong Kong?
Ayoko din ang mayabang.
Na walang niyayabang.
Na walang niyayabang, ganun lang po. I want a simple life.
Okay. Gawin natin 10 minutes yan. Okay, next question. Who is or was your most unexpected crush?
Ay, wow!
Crush.
Crush? Crush?
Both of you.
Crush?
Unexpected ba yan?
Oh, who is or was your most unexpected crush?
Do I need to mention?
Of course!
Ay!
This is only a podcast.
Isa lang naman ang crush ko. Si Ji Chang-wook.
Isa lang sa akin, yung Ong Fama.
Charis! Okay. Next question. What type of a person do you picture ending up with?
What kind of person
What type of person do you picture ending up with?
Panyang.
I'm looking.
She only have panyang.
Sa akin, I'm looking pa rin.
Hindi, for me is like yung hindi naman sa ka-level pero at least ng energy mo.
A level ng energy.
Yeah, at least magkapareho rin kayo ng energy.
Oh.
Pero sometimes having the same energy with your partner sometimes medyo nakakapagod. Or like so some people is looking for opposite.
Opposite. Yes. How about you, Mr. Wee Hong Kong?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Searching ng mayamang biyana.
Because me, I'm still searching for the rich and
mga
low.
po, wala pa dyan, yung mga naghahanap po dyan.
shout out.
Shout out po sa inyo.
Baka naman.
We have Mr. Ogi in Hong Kong searching for the one. Baka naman, PM is the key. Okay, other question. What's the best piece of gossip you've ever received?
Best gossip I ever received.
Yeah, best.
Ang dami, oh.
Gossip.
Ang dami, oh.
Dito na tayo magkakaalaman. Yung mga unexpected gossip na bigla na lang naming nare-receive ba?
Ang dami-dami. I-PM ko na lang sa inyo.
How about you, ma'am?
Me?
Yeah.
Yung ano lang.
Mayabang.
Mayabang daw ako, pero totoo naman. Pero at least maniyayabang.
Oh, di ba?
Nagyayabang, ganun.
Ganun lang tayo. Pwede tayong magyabang pag may niyayabang
But in
tayo.
a different way. Ganon.
Oh, kita niyo, ada pa pimanday yatin na ijay nga kaslat yatin ni...
Yap.
Sino di? Si...
Lapu-Lapu Magellan.
Oh.
Okay, ito na. Next
Johnny Depp?
question. What are you putting off right now?
Putting off my shoes. Putting my medyas.
It's like that's a plan for now.
Yeah.
No, I don't like to share. Baka ma
Showbiz.
hindi mo showbiz pero baka
Manunat.
Oh yeah.
Adi kami makaibagangay si Tagalog or English. Iso nga kaikang tanay kami.
Di, miss na
Manunat.
kinalang para may idea kayo.
Okay. Next question. What do you think the best prank of all time is?
Best prank?
Yes, best prank of all time is.
Yung agad-agad na interview. Ganun po.
Parang ngayon.
Parang ngayon. O yan.
Unplanned interview, unplanned podcast.
And then unplanned decision na mag-hike ngayon.
Pero ang bagsak, sa Tamar lang naman.
Pahila ba dito mo?
Oh, si Tamar. Andyan lang po sa likod namin.
Doy, si Didi trademark ni Tamar.
Oh, yan ba? Okay.
That is the highest building here in Hong Kong.
Okay.
Kanya pa, adikal pas di interview, suling mo.
Last question na po tayo. If you were a ghost, how would you hunt people?
By messenger.
By sending them message.
Kaya gaganon tayo sa messenger ba?
Mapakamusta lang.
Yung kumusta ka biglang nagtutok.
Pautang ba?
Yung utang mo! Bayaran mo!
Hello, yung utang
So, for today's video, we're thank you, Miss Suling the Jumbo,
Okay.
for your time, and then also with you, Igor Filmmakers,
Filmmakers.
and syempre, ako.
Rogin Hong
siya yung nag-interview, pero siya yung nag-exit ha. Eh,
Wow, di ba?
yung
Hihila
guest,
kasi.
yung guest mo siya ang nagtapos.
Tapos, ganun po tayo dito. So, we are the Jumbo Squad. Thank you ka, Jumbo. See you
Bye-bye.